If you feel like you're drowning in a mess, this 5-minute reset will completely transform your home and your sanity. First, we're going to pick the surface that collects the most clutter. You know the one. It's the one that seems to be magnetic and attracts every other thing around it. Then spend just 2 minutes clearing it out. This works even if it's super duper messy, because immediately you will see a dent in the clutter, and that will most likely motivate us to keep going, because the body in motion stays in motion. The hardest part is just starting. So if you get there and you do the 2 minutes, then great. It's 2 minutes better. And if you keep going, then you just hacked yourself into clearing out the area. But if not, that's okay. We're going to do this every day until it's clear. And even though we're all super duper busy, with just 2 minutes, we can certainly find that sometime in our day. We're going to want to tackle this first because a clean and open surface can make the whole entire area feel more tidy and definitely a lot more calm. It also helps you to feel more in control of your space when you have all the clutter laying around, and that will help reduce the feelings of overwhelm. Now, as we may all know, the kitchen is the heart of the home, so we're going to want to tackle this as well. Set a 10-minute timer and unload your dish rack or dishwasher, wipe the counters, and put anything away that's out of place. No deep cleaning here, just a quick refresh to help you feel more in control of your space. Entering into the living room, where most of us live, we're going to want to reset it by tidying up the pillows or catching anything that doesn't belong and putting it in a basket or putting it away. Focus on the things you can see for this reset and your main walkway. Eventually, we will get to deep cleaning, deep cluttering, but this is just a quick reset for now. And you're going to want to make the space feel calm in as little time as possible. Tiny resets can help your whole entire home feel more presentable and can inspire us to do more, because we're going to like the feeling of this. If you need more help with that, then check the link down below. And next, we're going to go into the bathroom. The bathroom is a spot that we use every single day of our lives. So we're going to want it to look tidy, neat, presentable in as short a time as possible, because hey, we're all super duper busy and got a bajillion things to do. So we don't have time to be scrubbing toilets for 10,000 hours in a week. No, thank you. So here we're going to want to straighten the towels, remove any splatters on the mirrors. Even 1 minute makes a huge difference here. It's going to get the place from chaotic to calm. Now here's a pro tip. If you want your bathroom looking tidy every single day at all times, no matter what, then I suggest upping it up by 2 more minutes. It just takes 3 minutes max. I know, because I do this every single day. Well, okay, 3 minutes per bathroom. First, you're going to get your sink, microfiber cloth, and a spray or whatever you feel comfortable with, and then the tub, just the base of the tub. We're going to do this daily. And also, finally, the toilet. We wipe the top, wipe the bottom, and take the brush and brush the inside. That's it. Every single day. That's all you have to do. And then in our deep cleaning days, it's going to be more manageable because most of it is clean. It's going to take less time, and every single day our bathrooms will be tidy and presentable. The entryway is another big deal in our home. It gives the first impression of our home and the vibe, if you will. Even for yourself, as you enter your home, if you see a ton of shoes floating about and just a big chaotic mess, the whole entire home will feel chaotic, and you will not feel as peaceful as you would if you put the things away. Now, I understand that this may feel overwhelming, and we don't have to spend a bajillion dollars either. Listen, I have a spice rack that I put the shoes in when we're coming in. I use what I have, I do what I can, and my home maybe doesn't have the most aesthetic layout, but it's okay. I make it work. And every single area of our homes, if we treat it the best way possible, we're going to start loving our homes, no matter the footprint, the layout, you name it. Clutter piles up fast in transition zones, so be sure to put the shoes away, put your coats away if it's that season, and your home will be looking so much better. But if you want even more simple homemaking tips, then check out this video here, and I'll meet you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.